Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to review this Blue Heavens blush and glow lip and eye gel and today we are going to review this Blue Heaven cheek and eye gel bloom. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so this is how this arrived. I mean, just look at this. This is so pretty. Let me just tell you, I have never seen such a cute packaging from an Indian brand, which is something I'm really digging about Blue Heavens. Like, they have really elevated the package and I'm all for it. And this is the Glam Pink cheek and eyes gel bloom. So this is something you can use on both eyes and your cheeks, and if you can use it on eyes on cheeks, you can use it as a lip tint as well. Probably, I mean, we all use things for multiple purpose, so agar eyes or cheeks pe use ho raha hai to lips pe bhi ho hi jata hai, right? It retails for 275 rupees, and the things that I wanted to compare it with was number one, this is NY Bay blush. My camera just doesn't focus on this because iska color bahut light hai. Like, just look at this, right? Now you can see this. So this costed 245 rupees and this cost 275 rupees. You can even get one ek pe ek free wala discount on NY Bay, and Blue Heaven pe 40% tak off chala jata hai, to aap isko kam rate pe bahut aaram se le sakte ho. Like 150 180 is tarah ke range mein bahut aaram se mil jayenge. theek hai? So this is 8 ml and this is 10 gram. I'm believing this is 10 ml, this is 8 ml wala fark hai. तो थोड़ा सा I think sizing का फर्क है. The sizing is बिल्कुल similar. Like बहुत I don't think like 19-20 का ही फर्क होगा. And then there is the third thing that I wanted to compare it with is this. This is, now listen. Do you look at the packaging similarity? Because this is identical. Okay, so this is why I bought this one out. This is Blush Bomb from Flower Beauty, and this one, it is 9 ml and this cost 800 rupees. So this definitely is like a foreign brand by Dewberry Moore. So this is a little bit more costlier, right? This is affordable. This is the most affordable. So yeah, let me just compare तीनों का formula. So this is the first one by Dewberry Moore. Although इनमें like कोई similarity नहीं है, but this blush bomb by Dewberry Moore is pretty famous. Let me say that. Okay, so this is not my favorite. It has a very runny consistency, पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये ना मेरी foundation को लेकर निकल जाता है. That is something I don't like about this blush bomb. Also, this color is not very flattering for Indian skin tone. जो थोड़ा सा रह गया मैंने लगा लिया है. That's that. Okay, then we have this one from NY Bay. Now this, because इसका wand है, तो इसकी liquidy consistency और runny consistency का कुछ ज़्यादा खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because it's just you have to apply with the wand. And this is a little thicker than the you know, ये Flower Beauty वाला. बहुत अच्छा pigmented है ये blush, and I really like this blush. This is one of my favorite liquid blushes, right? And then last may we have this one from Blue Heavens, and this is the first time I'm seeing the color now. And this is how it looks. Oh, okay. See, मैंने कितना squeeze कर दिया, but वो भी बाहर आ ही नहीं रहा है. It's like half of the tube is already empty. Okay. Does it have anything? Listen, see. This is where the product is. I can literally see the product, which I don't think you guys can. But इसके अंदर product तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. What the hell? Like, this is so little product. This is hardly like 2-3 ml or what? This is bad. Okay. And अभी भी निकल ही नहीं रहा है. इसके अंदर इतना product ही नहीं है कि वो उसमें निकल सके. Can you see, like, literally मैंने, and here it comes. Okay, so this is very tiny and this is even thicker than NY Bay. See, the color is very similar too. I mean, they are both drying very similar, and this is more sheer, this is a little bit darker. है ना, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ये थिक था, राइट? ओके, दिस इज सच अ बमर यार. ये क्या बकवास है. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट पुट ऑन सम फाउंडेशन एंड कंसीलर. बेस मेकअप कर लेती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद आई अप्लाई दिस ऑन द चीक्स एंड वील सी इफ दिस इज गुड इनफ फॉर्मूला फॉर मी टू फाइल अ कंप्लेंट टू पर्पल नाउ, बिकॉज डैंग इट जस्ट डिडंट हैव एनीथिंग एट ऑल. लाइक खाली था, एंड आई एम ग्लैड आई हैव दिस ऑन कैमरा सो दैट एटलीस्ट आई कैन शो कि बिल्कुल फ्रेश था जब मैंने खोला, एंड इट जस्ट doesn't have anything at all. Okay, so yeah, let me, like, I'll be back. Okay, let's go with the blush now. Let's hope it works. And apply a little bit of cheek area. I'm just taking a very tiny bit and our brush, okay? And yeah, definitely as compared to that NY Makeup blush, this is a little bit thicker, and I think this type of blush is more favorable if you want to, use it on the bare skin, as compared to on top of foundation or anything. The color is a little too light. So why do I feel like a little bit of foundation has escaped? Foundation has moved a little bit, नीचे से. I definitely think कि थोड़ा तो नीचे से base makeup गिला है. Right? Okay, whatever. Let's just do it on the side. And I definitely feel it's a little heavier on the skin as compared to my NY blushes. So that is definitely a thing. Now let me finish the face, and I'll be back with my final verdict. So guys, I don't know, like this is a very, in my opinion now at this point, I feel like it is such a meh product that I'm not digging it at all. I really love NY Bake blush, and I abhi bhi am fully standing them. They are so much better than this. I mean, keeping aside कि इसके अंदर प्रोडक्ट की क्वांटिटी कम थी या ज़्यादा थी, whatever, but I definitely feel कि NY Bake का जो फॉर्मूला है, it is very easy to glide on your makeup, and मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत flawlessly जाता है ना. This sort of like मुझे लगा कहीं ना कहीं कि मेरी यहाँ से see this I did not apply any blush at all, and this is how this blush looks. Definitely it is not up to the mark, and I think liquid blush एक point के बाद नहीं भी लगता. You have to top it off with the powder blush, but again the thing is that मुझे definitely लग रहा है कि यहाँ से मेरी foundation थोड़ी सी मिट गई है, which is something I'm not liking about this blush. Definitely यहाँ से भी. So this blush did the same thing to me. But NY Bake blush वो नहीं करते, and they just glide beautifully, and that is something I think this blush is lacking. And yeah, I mean, I would still say if you want to try a good blush, liquid blush, go in with NY Bake blushes. They are so much better. You don't need to try this one out. I mean, it was going really viral and it was hyped up, but I'm not a fan. So that is that. So yes guys, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, hit the like button. I've said that already. Okay, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.